Hi, my name is Noah Gift, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to manage secrets in your project. This comes up all the time when I'm teaching students they may be confused about what's an easy and simple way to solve the problem so that you don't accidentally check in, let's say, a token for a Slack bot or a Discord bot into GitHub and then someone hacks it or your AWS keys. Really, the easiest way to do this is by editing your Bashrc. There are much more sophisticated and potentially better ways in larger organizations. But for now, we're just going to start with the simple way, and I'm going to show you it in just a few minutes. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at this project, Noah Gift, Hello World Secrets. And I'm just going to walk you through some of the things we're going to cover. I'm going to show you how to export secrets in Bashrc, and then how this will allow all new Bash terminals to get those secrets. The pros of this is that it will prevent accidental check-ins to GitHub, and also perfect doesn't become the enemy of good enough. The gotchas are that you may need to know a little bit of Vim. Also, you must never check in your Bashrc if you use this approach. And in the future, there may be more complex solutions, like, for example, this AWS Secrets Manager. So with that being out of the way, I'm going to go ahead and go to code, go to new Codespace and launch this. And what's nice about GitHub Codespaces is it's a great environment for prototyping out ideas, and I use it all the time for that functionality. And in particular, it has a great Bash type environment because it has a terminal right here set up for me. So to start with, what I'm going to do is show you how I would typically edit a secrets file. I would go through here and use the vim terminal or the vim command in the bash terminal, and I would say vim ~/.bashrc. And the reason for this is that the bashrc is a configuration file that will be loaded every time there's a new shell that's launched. So for example, I may want to launch multiple bash shells here, right? And each one of those bash shells, I would want those secrets to be available if I was using some kind of API. And so that's really the key takeaway. So I'm going to go to Vim, open it up, and you can see there's already a lot of things inside of here. To get to the bottom, you do Shift-G, and then I'll do O to open up a new line. And then I'll put a comment here, secrets for project. And it would look something like this. And then what I would recommend is use export. And let's just call this, Slack bot or something like that. Put it in all uppercase. And then we would put in 1, 2, 3, 4, and potentially maybe one more. We'll just say export, Discord bot, and this will be 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, great. Now that I've got this, a couple things to point out are that they won't be available until you launch a new shell. One way to do that is to source the bashrc again, and then that will make it available. And then we can just echo that environmental variable. So in this case, we would say echo $Slackbot, and you can see that secret is available. Now, also, if I go to a new shell here and I launch it, I can also say echo, and we can do the same thing, $Discord bot, and it will also show up in this shell. So very straightforward, very simple way to do things in a project, and it will get you to the next level so you don't have to worry about not checking your code into GitHub. You have at least a solution to move forward in your project.